All right, hope you got to enjoy this weather today. Josh,
Yeah.
I know you said it was going to warm up just a bit. And I say this because back on Monday, we started off pretty cool.
Oh, we definitely did. So this roller coaster ride we've been enduring over the past week or so, that ride's going to take us well into the weekend and next week. So fasten your seatbelt. At least the sun is shining right now, and we will take note of that with our temperatures pushing back up close to 80 degrees in many cases. Yes, the shoreline's still holding on to a bit of that pesky marine layer, but hey, it's the Oregon coast. It's what we expect to see with some fair weather cumulus clouds up in elevation. But boy, the Swan Island dahlias, yeah, those freshly planted tubers soaking up that sunshine as PDX has seen some beautiful Mount Hood views there as the peak is eclipsed with those temperatures in the upper 70s. After daytime highs managed to warm just a degree above that, really within about the past hour or so, and that is well above our average of 71 for this time of year, and we are still expected to surpass that average temperature moving our way into tomorrow, as many of us are falling back into the mid to upper 70s at this point in time. So the cooling trend now underway as we fall back to 59 in Tillamook and 81 for the Hood River location, as all is relatively calm, quiet, and clear for us here in western Oregon and southwest Washington. Can't say the same, though, for our friends in the southwest corner of the Beaver State. Medford preparing to see some stormy weather with abundant lightning tracking its way from the east to the west. This does have a history of producing multiple severe thunderstorms with gusty winds and hail. At that threat of severe weather, it does hold steady with about a marginal risk. That's a 1 out of 5 potential for severe thunderstorms with those gusty winds and hail, but then it intensifies tomorrow. Becomes a slight risk of severe weather for the Oregon, Washington, and Idaho state line. So this is all east of the Cascades, but 1 or 2 of those rumblers could work their way back into the I-5 corridor as we move our way through the end of the day tomorrow. So our storm outlook, the timing is Thursday afternoon, carries us into the early morning hours of Friday, but the biggest threats are going to be those potentially damaging winds, the large hail, and the abundant lightning for central and eastern Oregon and Washington. As our futurecast plays out with calm conditions, quiet, mild temperatures by sunrise tomorrow for the I-5 corridor, as a lot of these scattered rain showers, some of these red and maroon shaded colors are a good indication where we could potentially see some of the stronger to severe thunderstorms that will be tracking their way further to the north. Now, as they approach the Cascades act like a good cheese grater, kind of tearing up the strength. If anything, I think we're just going to be left with mostly cloudy skies, not anticipating the moisture that is abundantly available as far as our futurecast demonstrates. But if anything, it will be dropping our temperatures, which will hopefully help to reduce our fire concern as the fire weather danger dials are turned up thanks to the abundant lightning once again out towards the I-84 location, Pendleton, back up to about a level 5. All in a location where drought continues to stay persistent, with the worst of the drought finding itself over some of those lightning strikes as we speak. But rain accumulation, again, really lackluster for the I-5 corridor, the coastline, but seeing a good drink of water out over the Cascades and points east. As tonight we stay clear and calm, temperatures falling back into the mid-50s. Afternoon highs returning to the mid-80s for the valley, low mid-60s possible for the coastline, with mid-90s helping to really cook the atmosphere and give it enough energy to see some of those thunderstorms turn severe tomorrow afternoon along I-84s. Our 7-day forecast shows maybe a raindrop or 2 potential, slim for most of us, but a potential nonetheless, as it drops our temperatures into the mid-60s for Friday. And then we begin that warming trend again. First day of June, Monday, meteorological summer, 87. We go even hotter from there on Tuesday with a high of 92.
92.
92. That roller coaster
Wow.
ride, we are well in the thick of it.
Yeah, like you said, buckle up.
Yes.
Thanks, Josh. We'll be right back.